We are here to share with all of you, and especially for the people of the state, to know exactly what is the role of each and every one of us, being the members of the State Planning Board. We are here today basically to perform our role as far as monitoring and the progress and implementation of different projects carried out by the any concerned departments within the state government. So today we have decided to take up this as the site inspections to look into the progress of the construction of this Shillong Dauki road, and especially this stretch which is from Shillong up to 7th mile up to this Pomlum PHC junction, and uh, we have found after we have heard from the people of this area, especially the West Khasis district, Southwest, Eastern West Khasis district, part of East Khasis districts also, which are Dauki, Balad, Shela, and all these areas, Pedosla, and all these areas which are from this side, which has to go through this road on a daily basis. So the constraint and the major hurdles that they're facing are basically that every time they travel on this road, they have to face the time challenging as far as this stretch from 7th mile up to Anjali Point, which takes almost 1.5 hours to 2 hours. That is the normal on a daily basis. If you happen to cross maybe in 45 minutes or 1 hour, I think you are very fortunate. So we see that there are a lot of reasons why people have to spend that, and especially in case of emergencies, where ambulances and other emergency services will have to reach the destinations on time. It has really created a really problem. So we came across today about a few of the hurdles that we look at, because I keep on traveling this road, being the representative from Mairang and the chairman of the board. I happen to travel this road almost on a daily basis. So I think I am to mention here that I also have to do the same. I have to face that same problem, reaching destination, be it from or to Shillong. So we came across that some hurdles which are related to the contractors, where the few constraints that they could not complete. The junction, the bypass of Third Mile, be it from the fruit selling area before reaching Third Mile, while coming from Mshurpi side, which connects to the, I think that is 3.5 or 4 miles, 3.5 miles. So that stretch is, they have an issue with the shifting of pipes, which are the main pipes, and which will take another 2 months' time. So they have assured that within 2 months' time they will complete, and hopefully within 2 months' time they should be able to open that bypass from there. Second part is we have seen as far as the work quality is concerned, we have seen on many stretches that there are some work quality as far as this retaining walls. The quality of work is slightly not up to the mark, I should say. So likewise, the other wall also, which is just close after the Umsherpi new bridge construction, it was found that the wall is tilting towards the other side. So technically, I cannot say much on that, but it was, agreed also by some of the engineers who are the heads of some head of department, that yes, they have observed and they have put forward this to the contractor and to the NHDCL, which is the body which looks after the progress of the work of this project. So the defect of the wall of the bridge is that's not connected to the bridge. That is a separate wall altogether. So I've got nothing to say as far as that retaining wall is. Technically, I don't know, but other things are all in line, except one wall which is not connected to the bridge. That is has to be disconnected.
Any ideas of when are they like?
See, few hurdles which we have stressed today. I think in 2 months' time everything will be okay, and the date of completion is set as December 2025. We have asked them to submit the schedule of completion of the progress of work, and I believe if they're really on the job, I think they should be able to do it. They should be able to. They have assured also that it will be done. So we have stress on this, come what may it has to be done, because it has created hurdles to the people of this area on a daily basis.